Hey everybody, this is Paul with Water by Design. In this video, I'm wanting to cover hot tubs that aren't heating. You know, we hear this a lot with folks coming out and they're trying to use their hot tub one evening and they open up the cover and they either see on the keypad that the temperature is not what it is set, or they go to dip their toe in it and it is not hot. So what can we do at home to hopefully troubleshoot this and get you back up and running as quickly as possible, and when to call your service department? First thing you're going to want to look at with your hot tub is the display. You know, is anything irregular? Is anything blinking? Is it displaying, you know, flow, OH? You know, is it, you know, this model will actually blink the power and the ready button when there's an issue. So there's a lot of stuff that we can look at when there is an issue. I'm going to unplug this sensor so you can actually see what it would look like on this spa. So is there anything blinking on the hot tub that's causing it an issue? That's the first thing we're going to want to look at, because sometimes your tub will tell you something just on the top side display. Second thing we're going to want to look at and think about is the filter. You know, when was the last time I cleaned it? When was the last time I took it out to examine it? So go ahead and do that now. Take the filter out, examine it, make sure it looks clean, and then honestly let the tub run for a few minutes without the filter in it. A lot of times there can be oil built up in the pleats of the filter, and even though the filter may look clean, it's not. You're going to have to get a degreaser in there and get rid of all the oil and stuff that has been built up in the spa filter itself. So let the spa run with a little bit, you know, with a little time, with no filter in it, and that might fix it right off the bat. At that point, if the displays go away, if the hot tub itself, like this one, stops blinking, you know you fixed your issue. The hot tub itself will start heating again. You may not be able to enjoy it that evening because it will take some time to heat up depending upon how many degrees it has dropped, but at least you know it is going to be heating for you. If the filters are clean, you're going to want to make sure that the pump or the circulation pump, depending upon how your spa is plumbed, whether you have a circulation pump or the big pump that actually heats up the tub, are those pumps working? You know, this tub in particular does have a circulation pump, so you're going to want to visually look at the surface of the water to see if you see the ripple of water coming out of the circulation pump return. Same thing with the tubs that don't have circulation pumps. Go ahead and cut on jet pump 1 low speed. Make sure that it's on, that it's not airlocked, or there's something wrong with the pump itself not causing it to heat. So test those out. If all of those work, it's more than likely something in the sensor, as far as something that we need to get out and take a look at. So you will just need to give us or your local service provider a call, and we can get out there and take care of whatever sensor issue that you have. Another problem that you may see is protection mode. So let me put it into protection mode really fast. Protection mode is kind of like a low flow issue. This is essentially an overheat. It's going to detect that your heater of the tub has reached a temperature that is unsafe, that your heater may risk burning up. So the hot tub itself has put it into protection mode, shutting off all circuits to the heater, shutting the heater down, putting it and protecting it until we take a look at it. So same thing, as far as same rules apply. You're going to want to take the filter out, let it run. The only difference is with protection mode, you are going to have to be resetting the breaker. That is, turning the breaker off to the tub, turning it back on, or unplugging the tub if it's a 110 tub, turning it back on to try to get rid of protection mode, because once the tub is in protection mode, it will require loss of power and then repowering on in order to reset itself. So what you're going to want to do is look at the filter, take the filter out, reset the tub. If it continues to do it, make sure if the circulation pump is running, because the circ pump or the big pumps will still run when it's on protection mode. If it locks you out and you're not able to check jet pump 1, that's okay. you will just need to give your service provider a call or give us a call, and we can come out there and find out what the issue is. Hopefully this video has shined some light on an area where people may feel a little bit uncomfortable or uneasy with being able to troubleshoot at home. If you have any further questions about this topic, don't hesitate. You can give us a call at the store. We'd be more than happy to help you. But other than that, I hope you guys keep enjoying your hot tub, and happy hot tubbing.